Hi everyone, my name is Jamie Staub. I actually am a Canvas mentor for the Brentwood Borough School District. So that means I provide professional development on all the skills that I learn and research to my other colleagues to get more familiar with Canvas. So I actually am using a professional development idea coming up. We are doing one in February, and I have to present for 25 minutes, giving little tips and tricks about things and provided online. So we are actually in the process of creating a professional development course. However, currently right now I am using my Canvas sandbox that I have where I put all my testing materials or things and I'm just learning in here. So these are just little things that I am going to use with my professional development that I am going to present on Tuesday. So here's my lesson. So as you can see, it's a professional development lesson. It's going to be with all the middle school teachers, and they are going to learn how to provide meaningful feedback through SpeedGrader, annotation, and using the comments section. These seem like very simple tasks for teachers to know how to use. However, sometimes teachers are still struggling in our district, and that way, this will give them a meaningful way to provide that feedback. So the way I'll connect this to Canvas is, they'll provide their answers for their students and their peers. It'll be differentiated because they're going to choose the sessions that they want to learn. I'm creating the modules and explaining how to provide it using the SpeedGrader, the comment annotation, and rubrics. At the end, teachers will implement their own and they will actually submit their feedback that they post. And then to know how to do this, teachers will need to learn how to use student annotation, access the SpeedGrader, and to create assignments. So here is the following lesson. It's in my sandbox. So if you click on modules, here's my professional development. So I will just take this once I'm finished with it and I'm going to copy it to that professional development course. So I'll be in there and then teachers will have access to it at all times. So here's what they'll be learning in this 25-minute feedback. So this is a discussion board where they're first going to answer this question about meaningful feedback. How do you give your students feedback? And then they're going to comment on a peer's response. So they have to submit first before they can comment and read through everyone's ideas. I'm interested to see what people actually put here. And then as they go through, they are going to choose the two. Now this is going to be in person, so I'm going to say choose two because when I wanted to create a prerequisite, it was either they must complete one of these requirements or they must complete them all. And I actually only want them to complete the first one, choose to, and then the exit ticket because, we only have so much time here. So just to give you an idea of what this looks like, you're going to click on this meaningful feedback. It's through the SpeedGrader, and it gives information here. It tells you click on the assignments you want to comment on, click on SpeedGrader, shows them how to access it, and then down here they will watch the video. So to put this in the view that they will see, oh, need to publish the course, to put this in the view that they. So as you can see, once it's published, they actually will take a picture and submit their picture. Also, the video is enabled for them if they would like to record a video and upload a media recording file. This is just to show that they're actually doing what they need to do. Because, us teachers sometimes get a little bit off track, and if they're actually learning and applying it to their learning, then they will be able to do it and use it for their future references. After this, so they're going to choose two, and they're going to go to the meaningful feedback through the SpeedGrader, meaningful feedback through the annotations where they'll actually learn how to write on student assignments, and the meaningful feedback through the comments section using the comment feature and submitting comments. I actually like using this annotation because I'm a language arts teacher, so I can just write on the screen and that's just available for, your students to be able to see. Also, then they'll have to complete an exit ticket, where they need to respond to one colleague. What is your takeaway from today's lesson? How will you provide your students with meaningful feedback in the future so that they will have to complete to, get their credit for that 25-minute course that is at their own pace. So that is why it's a little bit differentiated. They can choose things maybe they didn't learn or that they need refreshed on. And then the next PD session is actually how to have your students view these comments through these 3 different features. So that's my lesson. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you.